All right, guys, so here's an example of a bar graph. Again, I'm using mathaids.com, and here it says the data is how many pets were sold in January. So that's the information they give you is January. We're going to go over to our graph, look at January, and go up. So we went in the door to January and up the steps, and in this case, one pet was sold in January. We know it was only one because here's his number of pets sold. How many pets were sold in April? So let's go over to April. In April, we're going to go way up to 7. Because we're going to go across and we're going to see that it's 7. That's how many pets were sold in April. Now, here's a great question. Did the number of pets increase or decrease between February and March? So our two data points are February and March. So February is 6. March is 3. So did it increase between February to March or decrease? What do you think? Increase or decrease, Ant?
Decrease?
Yes, it decreased. It went down. Excellent. All right. How many more pets were sold in May or February? Again, our two data points are May or February. So February we have 6. May we have 5. So which one would be more? February, because they sold 6 pets. Let's take a look at another sheet.
Daddy, 7 is more than 6.
You're right, Ant. All right, so here, let's build one. This is the amount of coins collected in the year. So on the bottom is our year, and the amount is on the side. So in that case, if we collected 10 coins in 2010, we would fill up to this spot right here. In 2011, they want us to plot to 25. Now, when you do this, this is really important, guys. Those lines, they can't be floaters. They got to be anchored on the number. The number splits the line. That tells you that that line specifically right there is worth 25. You don't want the number in a gap because then you don't know where actually 25 is. Because 25 is what's called anchored on a line, we know it's a definitive mark. Okay?
Thankfully, there was no zeros in the other one.
Exactly, Ant. Thankfully. Okay? Now let's build one.
Yes, let's build one.
So I'm going to build one here.
So a rectangle.
So if I have my X, well, this would actually be my Y and my X. If I had fake sleep, nap, or TV, this would be my 3 main activities over these last several days. So here I would have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, or 5 hours. If I said I like to nap 2 hours a day, I'm going to go to nap and raise it up to 2. And then fill it in at 2. If I say I watch 4 hours of TV, which is way too much, don't tell my mom. And then I'm going to put at least 3 hours of fake sleeping. That's times that I'm laying on the couch that I shut my eyes so my kids won't bother me. I pretend to sleep. Right, Ant?
Yes.
But I don't actually fall asleep. I'm just pretending. Okay? So using this information, what do I do most during the day? I'm watching TV. What do I do the least? Real nap. And what do I do in the middle? Fake nap.
Daddy.
What?
You could call me Aunt or Anthony.
Okay, thanks, Tony. All right. So, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, give me a text. But today's assignment is going to be IXL, Section J, Lessons 4 and 5. See you tomorrow.